What's up, guys? My name is Samanja, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to build a beautiful thumbnail. Okay, so what is a thumbnail link? A thumbnail link is like this. It shows up in social media. So when you copy paste your website, for example, if I take my website right now and I copy it and I paste it here, what a thumbnail is going to do is it's going to render this image, okay? And then when I post it, not going to be ugly. And if, for example, this website that I'm working on, it doesn't have a thumbnail link. I didn't work on it. So if I copy paste this website in here, it's going to show up like this. There's no thumbnail image. It doesn't even look like a professional website. So this thumbnail link is going to work on LinkedIn. Okay, so this is my LinkedIn profile. I have pasted a thumbnail link in here. It's going to work on LinkedIn. It's going to work on Twitter. Okay, so if I go to my Twitter account right now, and something is wrong with Twitter, I think it's down or something. I don't know. So the thumbnail link is going to work on Twitter. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go to Open Graph and I'm going to generate a thumbnail, some meta tags. Open Graph has been created by Facebook and it gives a good search engine optimization. It generates meta tags and I'm going to click the link of the website. I'm going to copy the link and I'm going to click the link of the website in here and I'm going to check. So it generated this, okay? So first of all, in the title, I'm gonna say canine paws, dog training, okay? Canine paws. I think it's called Black Mountain. Wait, it's called Black Mountain Canine Search and Rescue. Okay, let me put that Black Mountain Canine Canine Search. Okay, and I don't want the title to be too long. Canine search and rescue. Okay, so this is going to be the title, and the description is going to be um, dog training, canine dog training. Okay, as you can see live changes happening in the meta tags, dog training. Okay, and in the image section, what I'm going to do is that I found this a nice image of a police dog. I'm going to copy the image address in here, and I'm going to put it in here. Okay, so this is going to be the Facebook link, this is going to be the Twitter link, this is going to be LinkedIn, and this is going to be in Discord. Okay, so I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to go to the website, index.html, and right below this meta tag, okay, right below this meta tag, I'm gonna copy and paste everything from there. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna push this in my GitHub. This is a um, Vue JS project. I have already pushed it in my GitHub, and it will make live changes to my Netlify. Okay, so git add git commit m thumbnail added, and then git push you origin main. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna go to my website and I'm gonna copy paste. Okay, okay, that's interesting. I don't see. Okay, let's see what's going on in here. Okay, let me copy paste this in my Facebook. Okay, see, now we see this. Although I don't like the title. Remember, I generated the title in here. Black Mountain Canine Search and Rescue. This is supposed to be the title. So what is going on in here with the title? Did I do something wrong with it? Is it supposed to be on top? Okay, I don't know what's going on with the title. One second. I'm gonna remove some of this comments. It's annoying. Okay, let me add it again. Okay, git commit m title changed. Git push. Okay, let's see now. Let me. Okay, now the title is good. You know, I didn't want that. Yeah, I don't want to show you something that is not done. Okay, so I'm gonna paste this in here. And as you can see, there's a nice thumbnail link in here. And it looks professional. You know, website is gonna look very professional now. And I'm gonna put this on my Twitter. I'm gonna tweet about my new website. I'm gonna say, check out my website, the website I have been building, still under construction. So please, no judgments. Let me see if tweet. Oh, did I put it in the tweet? Yeah, it's supposed to show up on Twitter too. Okay, let me see what kind of tweet it looks like. All right, it looks great, right? It looks fantastic. If there's something wrong with Twitter, okay, it's really not my fault. Okay, so let me do this in my LinkedIn. I'm gonna say, check out the new website I've been working on. I have to be careful what I say in LinkedIn because, you know, I can't just put a half-done website there, but check out the website I have been building, still under construction, so please, no judgment. Okay, it's loading preview. Still loading preview, okay. All right, let me click on it. Wait, it's supposed to be clickable. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this. I hope I have helped you. I have been looking up videos on how to build thumbnails. There isn't much out there, and I really think it's much needed. Opengraph.xyz is the place to go to, and please subscribe.